Hi, I'm Annie. I've been coming to Chiropractic Plus for about 25 years now, and I always leave feeling better than when I walked in the door. I didn't really think I needed it, but I got the treatments just to see, and by gosh, it changed my world. The friend that invited me here, I thank him every day because it just has changed my life. I get treatments for car accidents, heart attacks, you name it. One big thing was the heart attack. And I remember when I woke up from the surgery, I asked the doctor, how soon can I see my chiropractor? And he told me 6 months. Well, I freaked out. I called Dr. Ray at the hospital and told him I was crying. And he said, don't worry, you come in. We'll get you some treatments that won't affect what your doctor doesn't want done. And I did. And I think I recovered much faster and better because of those treatments. I kept my spine in alignment while I was recovering. Comprehensive blood work. I'm a true believer in this. I want to see the trends. I don't want to get the three things that my insurance will allow me to get through my other doctor. I want the comprehensive stuff, see the trends, if there's something we need to work on before it gets bad. And I think this is very important. And if you do not have a doctor that approves of chiropractic, you might want to give thought to getting another doctor. If you have any health challenges whatsoever, I recommend Dr. Ray at Chiropractic Plus. This is the place to go.